Problem 5. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Option A 2 by 3, option B minus 1.5, option C 15%, option D 0.7. We know that the probability of impossible event is 0. The probability of sure event is 1. Therefore, the probability of any event which is neither be impossible event and nor be sure event is in between 0 and 1. Therefore, probability of any event of a random experiment cannot be negative and greater than 1. So, option B is correct answer. Let us take very short answer questions. First one, the probability of an event which is certain to happen is dash. We know that the probability of sure event or certain event always equal to 1. So answer for this question is 1. Second question, the probability of sure event equal to dash. Very easy question. Answer is 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to dash. Answer is 1. The chance of happening of an event when expressed quantitatively is called dash. We know that the chance of happening of an event when expressed quantitatively is called probability. Question number 5. The number of elementary events of a random experiment in which one coin is tossed. Answer is 2. The elementary events are head and tail. Question 6. Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma, play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? Let E1 be the event of winning match by Sangeeta and E2 be the event of winning match by Reshma. Here the match is being played between Sangeeta and Reshma. These two are mutually complementary events. Therefore, E1 and E2 are complementary events. Here P of E1 equal to 0.62. We have to calculate probability of event 2. We know that P of E1 plus P of E2 is equal to 1. That implies 0.62 plus P of E2 is equal to 1. By shifting term, we have P of E2 equal to 1 minus 0.62. Subtract 0.62 by 1. We get 0.38. Therefore, P of E2 is equal to 0.38. Let us take 2 marks questions. If A is an event of a random experiment such that P of A is to P of A bar is equal to 1:2, find the value of P of A bar. You can get this question in KCEB Model Paper 2. Here we have P of A is to P of A bar is equal to 1:2. We have to find P of A. Let P of A is equal to 1k. Therefore, P of A bar is equal to 2k. We know that P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1. Substitute the values. k plus 2k is equal to 1. Therefore, 3k is equal to 1. That implies k is equal to 1 by 3. Here P of A bar is given by 2k. Therefore, P of A bar is equal to 2 into 1 by 3. Therefore, P of A bar is equal to 2 by 3.